A warm welcome to this session on Perform Overload Test and Record Observation. At the end of this session, you will be able to carry out overload test.
Electrician toolkit and equipments required. Tools: hammer 1 kg, screwdriver set, crimping tool 3 mm to 16 mm, DE double-ended spanner set 6 mm to 15 mm, multimeter, documents and test equipment. Carry out overload test. Conduct overload test and explain to the customer. After assuring the above steps is free of any defect, connect the load step by step. Check for overload indication. Connect little excess load and observe. Overload test. Short circuit indication. Use ELCB. Visual and audio alarms. Tripping of circuit and breakers. Protection circuits operation. Record all the above in printed forms. This is an important document for the customer as well as for the solar company to claim against any warranty and guarantee. First inspection report generation. Carry out overload test. Customer orientation. Advice for regular checkup of panels, inverter and battery. Not to make any alteration to any component. Not to use acid mixed distilled water for batteries. Not to clean the terminals of the battery. Not to pour water in nearby area to inverter. Not to open the inverter at any cost. In case of risky observation, let them shut down the unit and inform maintenance team. Switching loads. Economical planning of load distribution can be taught to the customers for efficient and optimum utilization of the plant. This can bring enough return on investment. Observation of parameters pre-operation and operational test before connecting to load. Switch on disconnect of charge controller to battery. Switch on the disconnect of battery to inverter. Switch on disconnect of solar photovoltaic panel to charge controller. Switch on the inverter. Observe correct working condition of above before connecting load. Test and measure voltage and current on. Battery voltage. Charge controller. Solar panel. Inverter output. AC mains input voltage 230 volts. Observation of parameters post-operation. After assuring above step is free of any defect, connect the load step by step. Check for normal load operation, progressive load connecting and on-load testing. Overload indication. Connect little excess load and observe. Overload testing. Short circuit indication. Use ELCB. Visual and audio alarms. Tripping of circuit and breakers. Protection circuits operation.
Recap. In this session, we have learned how to carry out overload test. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.